Today I'm having a waterfront wood cabin experience in one of the most beautiful places in South Africa. This is pretty cool. I'm going to be staying at Springhome Cottages by Brahman Hills in Drakensberg. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the room. Wow. The food I make, Gordon Ramsay would not be happy with me. The beautiful lake. This is actually the main reason why I wanted to stay in this spot. The incredible gardens. This garden is an official Royal Horticulture Society partner garden. And everything else Brahman Hills has to offer. Welcome to my room at Brahman Hills. Before I show you around the room, let me tell you some information about this place. Brahman Hills is located in Nottingham Road in Drakensberg, and it is a 5-hour drive from Joburg. It is a unique getaway that offers premium rooms, good food, and great scenery. If you want to stay the night, there are different options to choose from during your stay. You can either stay in a hotel room or self-catering cottage, which are both at the main lodge, or you can stay in a Springhome cottage, which is where I'm staying tonight. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? If you want to stay in any of these rooms in the future, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. So, let's get into the tour. You will arrive at Brahman Hills and check in at reception. You'll then drive 4 kilometers to Springhome Cottages. I just arrived at Springhome Cottages, where I'm staying in a wood cabin on the lake tonight. Let's go inside and see what this place is about. Wow, welcome inside. When you walk in, the first thing you'll notice is the amazing view of the lake. But I'll get to that. Let's first start with the kitchen. There are marble countertops with white cupboards. Beautiful, they work really well together. And there is everything that you need in the kitchen. For seating options in here, there is this wooden table with metal chairs surrounding it. And then there's this cool looking barrel table with 2 chairs next to it. I feel like I'm sitting at some cool type of bar that has this table. I've definitely been somewhere that has these types of tables. This is the TV room area. Very nice room. You can watch some TV, or you can just enjoy this beautiful view of the lake in front of you. Let's move on to the downstairs bedroom. This is the downstairs bedroom, and it is really nice. In the center of the room, there is this, I think, king size bed? Nah, maybe queen size bed. I'm not too sure. It looks pretty big though. Obviously, we have to do a bed test. Whew. Wow, pretty damn comfortable, I have to say. I think I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Let's go into the bathroom. This is ensuite, by the way. This is the ensuite bathroom that looks great. There is still one more thing that this downstairs area offers. Let's go have a look. If we make our way outside, we will see the outside patio, which is this beautiful wooden deck with a table and a couple chairs to sit and enjoy the view of this beautiful lake. This is actually the main reason why I wanted to stay in this spot. Just look at this, man. This is a proper spot right here. Just dreaming about that coffee I'm gonna have tomorrow morning. Well, don't think this is the end of the tour of the house, because there's still an upstairs. To go upstairs, you have to go up these steep stairs, which are no joke. Hence the warning signs on the stairs. So please be careful when going up and down these. They are no joke. Whew. Those stairs are crazy. Welcome upstairs. This is the second bedroom up top here that has another large bed. Could be queen, could be king. This bed is the same level of comfiness as the one downstairs, so you don't need to argue. This is the better view though, but are the stairs worth it is the question. This bedroom is also en suite with a premium bathroom. There's also a chair in here that you can sit and wait. I don't know why you would need a chair in the bathroom, but if you want to sit in the bathroom, you can. That is everything that the Springhome Cottage at Brahman Hills has to offer. Let's go have a look around and see what else there is to do at this other estate by Brahman Hills. There's a playground area over here with not much. The swing which I'm on right now, sketchy slide. Should I do it? Yes, no? Well, you can't let me know. I'm going to try it anyway though. Yeah, sketchy. Can I even fit in this? Okay. It didn't break, that's a good thing. And there's a broken trampoline. Okay, it's still kind of usable. I am hitting the floor as I'm jumping on you. Doesn't work very well. There is a boat over here. I'm not sure if it's usable or not. I do see a lot of cracks in the bottom, so I'm gonna say no. We may as well take a walk on the sketchy dock. Okay, am I gonna fall in the water? No. We're good. This is pretty cool. I feel like I need a fishing rod so I can go fishing over here. Your boat would be premium. I don't want to try that boat out and then land up in the water. It won't be fun. I think I'm going to continue to walk around the lake. It's pretty pretty. Why not? I think that's about everything you can do here on this property. It is just really peaceful, really quiet over here. And I think even more so because I'm the only person staying here. Later, I'm going to take a drive to the main lodge at Brahman Hills because I'm going to have supper there. I just enjoyed watching a beautiful sunset over the lake. This deck is unbelievable. I'm very happy that was the main reason why I decided to come stay here. Right now, I'm deciding whether I should go to the main lodge to have supper, or I should just make something here because there is the kitchen. So in the next clip, you will see what I decided. So I decided to not go to the main lodge for supper. I'm gonna make something here. Without further ado, welcome to another segment of Cooking with Brad. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'm sure you have, it's dark. The lights don't work downstairs here. It's not very good, but maybe it's just this lodge. Maybe it just happened today. Who knows? But luckily I got my torch. Tonight on the menu, we have some spag bowls, spaghetti bolognese, bolognese, whatever you call it. It is delicious. Also, I've got some potato samosas for starters because why not? So let's try and figure out how to defrost everything here. Let's find a pan. This is actually perfect. It's like this deep pan, like pot pan. I've just got a frozen block of spag bowl in the pan. It's going to take some time though, I'm sure. Perfect. I need some time because I'm going to get involved in some starters. I need a plate. Samosas on the microwave. Spag bowl is sizzling on the stove. Things are going well so far. It's looking up. I'll be very impressed if I don't mess this up. I feel like I've got to wonder. Spaghetti bolognese. Didn't work. Just my kitchen is a mess. Gordon Ramsay would not be happy with me. I've seen clips of him getting angry at people for having a dirty kitchen. A clean kitchen is a happy home. Don't know how else I said. Oh, samosas are done. Welcome to Cooking with Brad. It's going okay so far. Samosas are good at least. Making good progress. I will see you when the food is ready. Supper is served and it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna dig in. Let's test it out. Very nice. Good job. Pat on the back, Brad. I'm gonna enjoy the supper and then have an early night. Good night. Good morning from a beautiful morning here at Brahman Hills. I actually slept really well. The only thing was that the bugs here were really loud. The bugs, the frogs, everything in this water area was so loud. But it actually wasn't that bad. It was way quieter when you were inside the cabin, so you don't have to worry too much about that. But I am starving and I'd like a coffee. So I'm gonna make my way to the main lodge now. Let's go. Breakfast was delicious. It is a beautiful restaurant with beautiful views of the garden. I had a cappuccino with eggs on toast and 2 hash browns. But now it is time to take a walk around the beautiful gardens here at Brahman Hills. Before entering the gardens, something quite cool. There is a barcode that you can scan and it tells you all information about their story and why they do the gardens. So I'm going to read a bit for you and see why they actually do this, what this garden is about. This garden is an official Royal Horticulture Society partner garden, creating harmony in everything that they do. It's tucked away in the Blue Crane Nature Reserve, named in honor of South Africa's national bird, the blue crane. Brahman Hills is more than a destination. It's an experience. Here in this garden, they grow all types of food that they use when preparing food in the kitchen. So I'm here now in the garden. Let's go have a walk around and see what this garden has to offer. These gardens do not only consist of beautiful flowers and food, they also consist of these beautiful sculptures. And here we have the first one called Chanticleer by Willem Cruz. Beautiful sculpture. It looks like they are floating on the water. The sculpture here is by Joyce Carrera, and her art is basically about going on the journey to discover the depiction of the female form. Not even sure if it really looks like a female, but beautiful. These pieces over here are by an artist called Noah Morbayan. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Each piece offers an intimate window into the eyes of the artist, evoking silence and his gentle and fragile character. Here we have what looks like part of a vegetable garden where I have no idea what they're growing. Here we have a hay arch, and this is definitely the first one I've ever seen. Very cool. This is a piece by Lee Scott Hempson, and he says there is simplicity in running barefoot, kicking up puffs of dust, hugging trees, smiling at dancing leaves, and whistling in reply to birds. Sometimes we forget the connection we have to the land, so this piece here shows that we have to appreciate nature, the birds, the trees, the wind, and to remind us that we're all connected. This over here could be my favorite piece. Just firstly about how it looks. It's a person wearing swimming goggles with fins on his feet and a shark fin backpack standing over this bowl of water. People feel the need to get wealth and get to a certain place in life and eventually you'll be happy, but his point is that you have to enjoy it now. Enjoy the present moment, which I really resonate with. I'm now back where I started this tour of the garden and wow, I now understand why it's rated so highly. This is a beautiful garden that is so big. I did not expect it to be so huge, but I actually enjoyed taking so much time just walking around the gardens, enjoying the sculptures, speaking to random people. I didn't film that, but spoke to the gardeners who work here, and they take a lot of pride in their work and really enjoy looking after the gardens. Thank you for them, and thank you to Brahman Hills. I've really enjoyed my time here. But now I'm going to make my way back to Springhome. So that has come to the end of my trip here at Brahman Hills. I've really enjoyed my time here, and I think if you're looking for a quiet, relaxing weekend away, Brahman Hills is the destination for you. I highly recommend that you come visit. Let's go. Thank you for joining me on this experience. Springhome Cottages, Springhome Cottages. Making my way downtown, walking fast. I gotta go back and get my camera. Gotta go back and get my camera. It adds to the water theme, I guess. It's like ship, barrels, you know? It works, believe me, it works. Trust me, it works. This is the downstairs bathroom. This is the downstairs bedroom. This bath squeaks. I was a little bit scared I was going to fall through the floor. God forbid. Brad, another video. They're chocolate chip biscuits and they're very good.